So she was a little senior, okay? She was a graduate trainee, and it was like my first time being an intern.
And none of us, I think, had cooks at home back then. So
Yeah.
it was like, anyway, we had to order, so might as well go out. He's just a golden retriever, like I said, that whole energy.
No, it has not been smooth sailing
Not at all. Not at all. So many times I'm like, we have shot at a place and we're like, I think we should reshoot it, you know, it's not come out well. And he's like, no, we don't have the time, we just have to make do with it.
There are like some 17, 18 clubs very nearby in 3 lanes. And of course, when they look at us, we are brown-skinned Indians, right? So there will be some particular clubs, like I think 40-50% of the clubs, they will say no to you.
Which was like quite
you can't
scary.
really enter. But if you have an American passport or a Korean passport, you can enter.
It's that meme, right? Like when you're just about to nap and you realize how many salaries has it took you to be here. It's exactly like that. Like, no, you cannot sleep. You could sleep at home. I would just say one is Janam, Bhumi, whatever you say, and one is very
Karam
Bhumi. So I would just not pick any side.
One's got the sass, the other's got the charm. And together they've built a digital world that feels fun, real, and absolutely chaotic in the best way possible. Hi, I'm Sonal, and on Offscript with Social Nation today, I've got Probi and Ashi. Individually, they're iconic, and together, they feel like couple goals. Oops! No, they're bestie goals, guys. Thank you for joining me here,
Thank you
so
for having
much
us,
for having us.
Sonal.
Do you guys get this often that are y'all dating and like what's the scene?
All the time.
Yeah?
Most of like messages are like, hi, can your husband make it? Can your boyfriend be there? And I'm like, who?
And even when we meet people there, then they're like, are you, like, how long have you been married for?
Oh.
And I'm like, do I look old enough to look like a husband?
No, I think it's because the chemistry between you guys is such that it's easy to mistake you to be a couple. I mean, I think we're all looking for something like that when we're thinking of having partners, right?
Maybe.
And aap mein wo partnership dikhai deti hai in your content. So I wouldn't like hold them at fault. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I was also mistaken when I saw it.
Yeah, we had to clarify to Sonal.
Yeah. So, y'all met at an internship is what I reckon, right?
Yeah.
You were working with Viacom, I think,
Yes,
as an
like
intern.
6 years back.
6 years back. So, what was your first impression about each other?
Ashima, you go first.
I think Probi is like this very energetic guy. Like all the time, I think the first day I remember seeing him, he was just so curious to know everything. That, oh, which college, where did you come from, you know, all of that. And I was like, he's just coming, you know, just calm down, you're an intern. So it was literally like that, but extremely curious. And I think till date, that's one quality he still holds true to it. Like extremely curious about things. It's like that child in a room, you know, who wants to know everything. Why is this here? Why is that here? So I remember the first day also, he was exactly like that.
And he's still like that?
Still like
Ever
that.
since?
I think more curious now. Like,
Where do you get this from? This
But,
energy, this
like-
golden retriever energy.
yeah, that's the way to describe it.
I think bachpan se hi I was always like this.
Yeah.
Like, because I used to be on stage a lot and then around friends a lot. So it was always for me like happiest moments would be when I'm in class making everyone laugh or playing pranks with friends and stuff like that. So it like continuously developed from there.
Nice. And how would you describe your first impression of Ashi?
Oh my God, Ashima. So she was a little senior, okay? She was a graduate trainee and it was like my first time being an intern like a big company
Ever,
like that, right? Like it's Viacom 18 is like a 2,000-3,000 people company and she was this really senior girl. And most of the time, right, Ashima would be really serious. Like right now her hair and all is really well set. She would like have this choti around here aise, and she would
No, it's
do
called
like
a half bun.
that bun, and she would like aise palki marke, okay, she would have her earphones and she would continuously be working. She had a really toxic manager back then,
Oh
so
God,
like
you
she
can't
was
say
used to
that.
be like, oh no, not
It's okay, we don't know.
Tough.
We don't know who it is.
a little tough, but she used to be stressed out all the time. The only time we would get to interact was like maybe during lunch or वैसे types का, like those moments, lunch or snacks.
Right.
The
Then
beginning.
how did you figure that you all would like to go out and maybe try food outside together?
I think because both of us weren't from Bombay, so it
Yeah.
was more like just became a thing because in Viacom, I think we were like this group of 5, 6 very like 21-year-olds who were just like very into about things. So we were those people who would like every weekend or even every day for that matter, because we were in office till 8 or 9 and be like, acha, aaj kahan dinner karte hain. And some or the other way, I think it just so happened ki it just ended up being the two of us. Like, you know, somebody would have some other plans and then it would just happen that both of us would have those plans worked out.
You all stuck to the plan always.
Stuck to the plan.
Our
that-
bosses gave us more work.
Yeah.
So we had to stay up until late.
Yeah.
That was good.
And none of us, I think, had cooks at home back then. So
Yeah,
it was like,
yeah.
anyway, we have to order, so might as well go out.
Yeah.
So it would just happen that every other weekday, you know, I remember our bosses would also complain because all of them were so Instagram friendly back then, and we would
Yeah.
post in like, kitna bahar khaoge and all of that. So it's been like that.
Mine
So then-
was a really basic PG. It was
Yeah.
like 2-3 people. There was no access to food or anything. The kitchen used to be like the half
Tiny.
the size of that kitchen. Like it
Okay.
used to be really, really tiny. There's no space to cook or anything.
So you had no option but to
we
eat
had
outside.
to eat outside. Yeah. Yeah.
But then, like you said, your bosses were Instagram friendly and all of that. Did you ever then start hiding your stories from your
Oh
boss?
man, like I think I love that feature. I think after that my learning was not to add them, because every other day, if I'm late, if I have a reason, they were like, yeah, of course you were eating out yesterday, you must be drinking, must be.
Oh.
And Viacom had a very cool culture. Like you could just say,
Yeah.
like with my boss, I would say like, sorry, it became, you know, last night got a little late, so I'll come late. So he said, yeah, I saw on your Instagram. So I was like, oh God. So I think from there it sort of started. But I think after that we never took it seriously. It was more about, and this is like back in 2019 when we
Yeah.
used to put
Yeah.
like photos that whatever.
Much
Yeah, yeah,
before
yeah.
COVID.
Yeah, so we
Yeah.
never had the page. So it was just
Yeah.
more like we used to do it on our individual stories.
Yeah.
Like, but we
Right.
were very keen on like food, and
Right.
I think Bombay has all these legendary restaurants which have been there since so long. So with us, I think it started like that. That
Correct.
Zomato used to have this list called, I think, top
Legends of Mumbai.
yeah,
Or
top
legendary
30 or
restaurants of
40
Mumbai.
places which
Yeah.
have been there till I don't know how many years. So like Britannia was one such spot, Cafe Mondegar and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
of that.
yeah.
So
Sammy Sosa.
Yeah.
That's the spot where we clicked our first photo.
yeah.
Wow.
So it was like it started from that we'll cover all these spots.
Nice.
And then just 1 year after, I think COVID hit.
Yeah.
So I think from then we created.
Then did you all go back home or were you still here?
No, we were still
we
in
were
Bombay.
stuck in Bombay.
Because we were like, okay, maybe it will just, you know, it was like 2
It'll
months,
subside,
3
yeah.
months.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think then it never ended. But then eventually, I think when things got better, we both
Then we
ended
went
up
for a
going
while.
home. And then I think in 2023 is when like this whole reels were booming.
Yeah.
So then we were like, now let's just, you know. And this was also just one fine day. We had gone to this Ashok Vada Pav.
Yeah.
I remember that's where
Yeah.
we waited for this, like there was this 20 minutes line which
Right.
was there. And we just created a video. And that video really blew up.
That was your first one.
Yeah,
was
that
the
was the
first
first one that blew up.
Yeah.
Uske pehle we were doing like random
But do you
things,
remember
random
what was
photos.
maybe the first time that you went out for such an experience to have food, or the first time you all clicked a picture or made a video, put all on the story, but together?
Sammy Sosa.
Sammy.
Sammy.
Yeah, that is like we
Yeah,
had the
yeah.
page.
Yeah.
We just created a page because now everybody was like, you know, I see the same story on your page and same story on Probby's
Might
page.
as well make one together.
Make one. So then we used to just keep photos, and this was
Yeah.
just more like just keeping memories together.
It
Yeah.
was more like a personal page back then, so that when we look back at it, okay, these are the spots that we've tried and stuff. वैसे.
Yeah.
I want to know, like, what are your individual roles in your content creation journey? Like, who's the executive, mindset, and then who's more into ideation and all of that? Do you all have your roles segregated, separated,
It is a
or
bit.
do you all just like wing it?
No, it is a bit separated.
Yeah.
Like, but we each have our own strengths and weaknesses, right? So first we align on the concept and everything together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She has a great eye for aesthetic, very keen detail. So
Yeah.
say shooting when it's like behind the camera, she would sort of take the lead over there because she knows how to get this shot, how to
Yeah.
get that shot. Then once the shoot is done, after that I sort of like ideate on how the scripting and the editing should be, how the story flow should be, stuff like that. And
So
that's how
shooting
the
and editing.
Yeah,
that's
and
how the
also
magic
I
comes
think
together.
what kind of collaborations we are doing.
Right.
So I'm usually the POC for that, you know.
Yeah.
So figuring out, okay, because it's like then once you have that kind of window,
Yeah.
you know, you can promote anything and
Anything,
everything.
true.
So I have that like okay, this has to be particular. We should like it first.
Right.
So yeah, I think that way it's pretty defined.
Like Probby right now mentioned that there are strengths that each of you all have. Ashi, what would you say is his strength?
He's just a golden retriever. Like I said, that whole energy. And also, I think one best part about him is he's extremely positive, and I think that's the kind of outlook which comes in his storytelling.
Right.
Also, just the way he describes a particular thing, you know, you would want to like go
Yeah.
about it, go try it.
Right.
So I think that whole. It's like that kid in a candy shop who has seen that candy for the first time, and he would just describe it.
Yeah,
so
the
well.
likeness is definitely there in all
And his
the videos.
voice, I think, like
Yeah.
most of people say that, you know, he does the voiceovers because he has such a sweet voice
Yeah.
that you would just get convinced, okay.
It's very distinctive, yes,
yeah,
definitely.
yeah. Like, I remember initial videos being like, yaar, ye to try karna hi hai. So then, like, okay, probably we will. So it was usually like that.
Oh, sweet. And what would you say are Ashi's strengths?
Ashi, she is like a master of perfection, like a bit of a perfectionist when she comes
Which
to it.
he doesn't like
and she
it,
has
but
a
yeah.
crazy attention for details. So say sometimes we are taking a shot.
Yeah.
We should check this here also. Like the baby hairs and all that are there here, they shouldn't come out. There
Wow.
are,
And that's
it's
with like
has to
shorts
be really
also. I'm like,
very-
because this is going to be there,
Yeah.
you know, like
Yeah.
whatever, like 30, 40
And
seconds.
forever is going to be
Yeah,
up there.
and then I think because now you see yourself so much on
Yeah.
camera, you sort of get like, okay, you know, that was at one point you could have figured it out.
Yeah.
And even the lipstick, like it has to be there like perfectly all the time. So there are a lot of touch-ups that happen. per se.
So, like you said that you know make most of the final calls and all of that. But कभी ऐसा हुआ है that there are some creative disagreements between the two of you, differences, and then फिर किसका call final
Yeah.
होता है?
When it comes to, I think, brands and stuff, like
Yeah.
collabs and all, she takes the final call,
Okay.
final decision. When it comes to edit,
Yeah.
then I take the final call. Like, say, what is most important in Instagram is like what the first 3 seconds, what the
Yeah.
storyline, what the
Yeah.
emotion should be.
The hook
right?
and all
The hook,
that.
everything. So those things I take the final call.
How did you figure all of this out?
Because like since the beginning, I've been doing a little bit more on the editing side.
Yeah.
That's why like a little bit more like,
Right.
okay, this is the hook that works. This is the kind of
Yeah.
story that we want to show. This is the kind of dishes that would work better. These are the kind of like emotions or people like that sort of a story can go together very well. So that's why.
Do you all remember ऐसा कभी creative difference हुआ है that really like took you a while to get over? Or has it been smooth
usually-
sailing?
No, it has not been smooth sailing
Not
at all.
Not at all.
Please spill the tea.
I think even on the way the subtitles look,
Yeah.
like we would have long discussions and debates on it. कि
Yeah.
ये white and yellow अगर होना चाहिए तो ये yellow का कौन सा shade होना चाहिए?
Yeah. I think that's not easy, and especially with a person like
Yeah.
me, I think
Yeah.
I'm very like with Prabhi, it's still very easy and
Yeah.
free flowing. He'll be like, okay, we'll see.
लेता है.
But I think with me, I'm like, okay, this has to be like a perfect piece, you know?
Yeah.
So many times I'm like, we have shot at a place and we're like, I think we should reshoot it, you know? It's not come out well. And he's like, no, we don't have the time. We just
Yeah.
have to make do with it.
Yeah.
So I think those things are there. But the good part about Prabhi is that you cannot have a very like a strong disagreement because he'd just agree to you at the end of the day. So he's that person who would be like, okay, fine, you take the call. So, you know, it just
Yeah.
flows in. So there's never been a moment where like, really like, okay, this video, you know, how do we go about
Yeah.
it? It would just flow in because he would just agree to it.
How sweet. So the golden retriever energy is really true.
I think that works everywhere, yeah.
So, Ashi has mentioned that she is a fan of Sex and the City. Is there a
Yeah.
character of Sex and the City that you resonate with most?
Oh my god. I think growing up, it was more with like Carrie.
Yeah.
I wanted that, you know, that whole energy of how she was like so carefree
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
you know, also being madly in love.
Yeah.
But now I think the 28-year-old me is more like, oh, she was just running after a red flag. So
Yeah.
I love that Samantha side of things.
Yeah.
You know, she wants to enjoy. And luckily it comes with the job that you have to go to a lot of events and things like that. So I love it. Like I can get my friends together.
So
you know.
Samantha is coming out now.
Yeah, I was like, I'll just get you on the guest list. So that part of it, and even I think some bits of Miranda, like how she was very highly focused about her career.
Perfectionist, like you said.
Yeah, perfectionist and very, very opinionated.
Yeah.
So I think it's bits of it. Charlotte, nowhere
No.
close. I am. But yeah, like I think bits of it. But
Charlotte is a golden retriever energy. na?
yeah. But I think she was too like, I want to get married, I want to get
Yeah.
married. So none of
She was focused, but on different things.
on different things.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Have you seen Sex and the City?
I've seen a bit. Yeah, I've seen the first
Do you
season.
think she is Samantha and like a little bit of
She's-
Miranda?
She's a mix of, I think, Carrie and Samantha.
Yeah.
A little bit more. I like Samantha a lot. Like,
Yeah,
she's the fun element in Sex and the
Yeah.
City.
So you're having a better time now working as the Samantha inside her is coming out.
Yeah, because Carrie was just like too obsessed, and I'm like, okay, now I think as I've grown up, I'm
You're
like
being easygoing now.
easygoing, like
But
just
she
go.
still takes stress like Carrie. Carrie like worries about the little things.
Yeah.
So Ashima also still worries
Yeah.
about
So
the
I
little
said
things
that's a
once
little
in a
bit of
while.
fate. I still relate
Yeah,
to it.
yeah. I mean, thoda parts to rah hi jata na hamesha.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Prabhat, you worked with Disney, is it?
Yes.
And
yes.
how was that?
Disney was an amazing experience.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the best media companies in the world. It's a 100-year-old company.
Yeah.
So you get to learn each and everything, like right from the basics
Yeah.
to like how content is made, how content should be shot,
Yeah.
how it should be edited, to everything like at a very high level कि अच्छा 100 करोड़ का अगर budget है तो उसको कैसे utilize करना है अच्छे से. And of course there are some amazing perks like you get to go on coffee with Karan.
Yeah.
Get to be with Karan Johar. There's this one episode when Arjun Kapoor was also there and
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
yeah, the
Aditya Roy
Roy Kapoor.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy on Night Manager.
Yeah.
He was also there. It's like really fun. You get to know exactly how Coffee with Karan is shot. How do they get all those scenes? It's
The actual
beautiful.
behind the scenes of
Yeah,
how
yeah.
what goes into making
Into these
Coffee
and
with
these are
Karan.
like really iconic and big shows, right? So
And they're
it's-
worldwide.
Yeah. And
How-
Disney overall, like as a culture, it's really good. Like
Yeah.
everyone from your manager to everyone, they're very supportive.
Yeah.
They want you to win. That's right.
How sweet.
That's really good.
Do you all have any memories of watching Disney films when you were kids? Like there is always that one film ना जिसकी वजह से Disney क्या है समझ में आता है.
yeah.
Do you all have a film like that?
Yeah, मैंने तो बचपन से I've seen from each and every short film to every feature film I've
He's
seen.
a big Disney
Yeah,
fan.
yeah.
I think he's made me
Everything.
seen
Yeah.
like so many of them.
What's your
Like,
favorite
For
one?
me, I think one film that really changed the way I view life was Inside Out.
Yeah.
Of course.
Like each and every emotion, how do you deal with them? How sadness is also an important part of your
Yeah.
life. You can't be a golden retriever all,
All
the
the
time.
time.
But still he is.
वैसे
But do you
तो-
sit with your sadness then ever since you've seen the film?
Do I? I don't really know. I keep sadness in the corner.
Oh, but then you are not applying what your favorite film has taught you then. है ना?
Not
I think he
completely.
just brushes it off.
Yeah. I mean, as long as it's working in your favor, why
Yeah,
not,
yeah.
right?
But the hero of the film is happiness, right? Like she's the one who
Yeah.
came back and brought everything together.
Yeah.
So वैसे,
Yeah.
yeah. But it does teaches you all these little
Yeah.
nuances, right? Like even anger, how to deal with it,
Yeah.
stuff like that. वैसे,
True.
then, yeah. But just the way like each and every small concept को उन्होंने बहुत smoothly बताया हुआ है, right? Like you,
Of how
you feel
internally
like really
emotions
emotional.
are wired.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
and to think that someone came up with this idea and they actually
Correct.
put it on screen
In such a
in
beautiful
such a
way.
convincing manner
Yeah.
that this is actually what
And
happened.
especially like how they made it like it's like a playground, like right?
Yeah.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is going down. You have
Yeah.
to make sure to.
Yeah.
It's pretty
Yeah.
good. Like
And
Yeah.
actually, I relate a lot with the imaginary character, like
Yeah.
Bing Bong, Bing Bong.
Yeah,
That character is
of
there,
course.
right? Like, so I had a imaginary childhood friend.
Yeah.
So that's why I was like, okay, yeah. And how your imaginary childhood friend sort of goes away,
Yeah.
like that sort of thing. Because everyone as kids, they just sort of make things up in their head,
Right.
right? And they somehow go away. So you lose that childhood magic, but then you
Yeah.
sort of mature with your emotions. So all
What
of
was the
that
name of your
explains-
imaginary friend?
Oh,
Did he
I
have
don't
a
remember. That's the thing. Like Bing Bong goes away. Like memory doesn't stay.
I hope you find it because I feel that the child within us needs that. Now,
Yeah,
bachpan
yeah,
wali
yeah,
wo
yeah,
yadein
yeah,
very
yeah.
important.
Yeah.
Foundational years. Ashi, do you have a favorite Disney film?
actually, growing up, I watched a lot of Bollywood as
Yeah.
compared to watching a lot
Yeah.
of Disney. I think meeting Prabhat, he was like a big fan of Pixar, and you know, I remember the Ratatouille film and the
Oh, yeah,
Finding
that is so
Nemo.
good.
Such a good one.
All of these
Ratatouille.
films, like we've watched it together and have such fond memories.
Yeah.
So I miss that, you know, back then I should have watched it. Like,
Yeah.
because for me, I was like a hardcore Bollywood fan, like, you know, so I've watched more of Bollywood as compared to
But
Disney.
then, was there a film that Prabhat showed to you and then you were like, wow, this was really mind blowing?
Ratatouille is one, Finding Nemo is one. Like, I think these ones, especially with Ratatouille, though, it's so
Yeah.
good. Like, you know, that whole possibility of anybody can cook.
Yeah, right.
That whole, I think it just stays so alive in my head that,
Yeah.
you know, whenever I imagine about that film, like, it's beautiful. So, definitely that
I
one.
mean, Disney and nostalgia just goes hand in
Yeah,
hand.
yeah.
Absolutely.
And always emotions, I feel. Disney picturizes and portrays emotions in the best way possible.
Right.
Yeah.
Even Marvel, right, which is
Yeah,
under Disney.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
huge. Like
Absolutely.
Avengers used to be.
All
like,
of them
such a
are,
big thing.
they know what they're doing so well
Yeah.
that they show you the possibility that इस level तक अच्छा achieve किया जा सकता है.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right?
Like
It makes
especially
you
the
like
emotion.
cry in one
Yeah.
moment, then you're laughing the other.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Well, coming back to food blogging, y'all
Yeah.
each have a cheat meal, which is, if I'm not wrong, Hakka noodles.
Yeah.
And then chicken Szechuan rice,
Rice.
right?
Yeah.
So if you're going out to have Chinese, both of y'all like order both the dishes together, or alternatively you decide कि इस बार प्रभात के favorite आएगा and then next time Ashika.
Most of the time we order both.
Yeah. We order
But
both.
How do
gets-
y'all finish it, or do you just take
So
home?
I'll tell you, there's this place in Andheri called China Suburb. They have
Yeah.
the perfect meal. It's called chicken mini meal something, and
Yeah.
it's not mini at all. So it gives you one portion of noodles, one
Look at
portion
that
of
chicken Szechuan
Szechuan rice,
And
and
one,
one portion of
Hunan
the
gravy.
chicken, like the Hunan
You
gravy.
should go for the Hunan gravy.
And that used to be like the favorite thing.
The
that
best one to go to. Wow,
And जब
of
तक
course.
बन रहा है, they'll give you that fried noodles, a bit of cabbage and Szechuan sauce.
Nice.
You
Yeah.
have that.
The best thing, Chinese restaurant में जाके fried noodles Szechuan sauce के साथ खाना.
Yeah, so it's like just the perfect
Yeah.
Yeah.
goal, like seriously.
So it's always. But if you ever go to, this is तो China suburb, but if you ever go to a different Chinese restaurant, तो फिर क्या करते हो? How do you settle
Maybe sort
this
of-
thing कि किसके पसंद का आएगा आज?
Usually separately होता है, but in case कभी कभार ऐसे then you
अलग
like
से हो
okay
गया.
you
And अभी
order.
recently ये है ना, like we do chicken triple rice क्योंकि उसमें noodles
सब आ
भी
जाता
आते हैं,
है.
rice भी आ जाता है.
And I discovered that in Bombay because it's not a concept I think in Delhi or like
Ah.
I'm from Chandigarh. I never knew about it. So yeah, but I still love my Hakka.
Well, I'm not surprised that it's a fusion that you only find in Bombay.
Yeah.
Because Bombay is like the home to all kinds of fusions you can find. We'll get there later, but
Yeah.
on your page there's this thing that you've put up that there are 2 truths and 1 lie, and I
Yeah.
want to know from you guys which one is the truth, which one is the lie. I'll guess and let's see if that's right.
Okay.
One of them is you both are into fitness.
Right.
I
Yeah.
feel that's true.
Yes.
Another one is, well, now I know that y'all are just friends, so that one's true.
Yeah.
So y'all are definitely not into Mexican food.
Yes, we are all.
But that's a very nice trick question,
Yeah.
considering everyone's asking
Yeah.
y'all, are y'all dating?
Yeah, I think nobody even like tried guessing it. They were just like,
Yeah.
they dating would be like, you know,
Yeah.
they being
Correct,
together.
correct.
would be-
Actually
Yeah.
सलमान खान की 20-25 साल पहले वो मूवी आई थी ना, मैंने प्यार किया.
हाँ.
उसमें वो डायलॉग था कि एक लड़का और एक लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो
नहीं हो
सकते.
सकते.
तो पूरा
Yeah.
इंडिया हैज स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन दैट. And आज तक भी फिर डू बिलीव.
But y'all are proving otherwise.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Yeah. I mean, I can definitely tell now. After my misunderstanding is busted now. So y'all, do y'all wanna, anyway, regardless that y'all don't like Mexican food, I might as well just ask you, have y'all tried Mexican in Mumbai? And is there a good spot for Mexican?
We have actually. Like Mace is like that one spot
Yeah.
which is like
Go-to.
That
Go
we
to,
keep.
you know, if you want to order at home. Mescalita is actually very good.
Yeah.
And they're opening in Bandra as well.
Yeah.
So that's actually one favorite.
What is a Mexican dish that you think one should definitely try?
I think the burrito
Ooh.
bowl.
Yeah, from
I usually do that.
Yeah.
And nachos, of course. I think that's like.
I think nachos को हम Mexican नहीं मानते. हमको मिल जाता है लेस की तरह,
yeah.
तो वो अभी Indian ही हो गया है, मिल रहा है.
Yeah. I think burrito bowl and maybe tacos, like
Right.
good tacos, like that would
Oh
be.
yeah, a good.
Y'all
taco.
also have recently visited Korea, isn't it?
Yes.
Probably did.
Yes.
That was
Probably
a
did.
work trip,
So
yeah.
probably what would you say is a must-have experience when you're in Korea?
Oh, Korea, actually, I didn't experience it completely because it was a work
Yeah.
trip. Like Monday to Friday, we were working, and then Saturday, Sunday is like when we got the time. But you have to go near Hongdae Street. It's like a street where you will find a ton of clubs, a ton of party spots, a ton of food to eat. And Myeongdong is also great. Like there are so many street foods, like
Oh, really?
like stalls nearby. It's epic.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a cultural
And
experience.
the foodie in you like wishes to go and try everything at every stall
Yeah,
because you
yeah,
can't
yeah.
possibly.
It
na.
is tough, yeah. Ashima wasn't there with me, so I couldn't really try everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like really like the way they make food, right? They put in a lot of care into each and every element.
Right.
Yeah. Like whether it's the egg bread or ice creams or even the
Yeah.
savory dishes, it's really
Even
nice.
that, what was that Money Heist cookie or
Oh
something?
yeah, the Squid Game cookie.
The
Yeah.
Squid Game.
Squid Game cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did
That
you try it? Was it
yeah,
good?
Yeah. The Squid Game cookie I really
Did
liked.
you also try to do the
No,
the
that I
challenge?
didn't have the patience for. You have to lick it for too long. So I just
Might
bite
as well
into
just
it.
finish
Just
it.
finish
Why
it.
try the
Yeah.
game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get to the business.
Y'all also, I believe, individually love to travel as well.
Absolutely.
So have y'all ever been to a place where you've had like the biggest cultural shock?
Cultural. I think he had one in Korea, right?
Oh,
Like-
Korea, yeah. There's this thing in Korea where there's like a spot where
Yeah.
a lot of clubs are there.
Yeah.
There are like some 17, 18 clubs very nearby in two,
Yeah.
3 lanes. And of course, when they look at us, we are brown skinned Indians,
Yeah.
right? So there will be some particular clubs, like I think 40-50% of the clubs, they will say no to you.
which was
Oh.
like
Yeah, you
quite
can't
scary.
really enter. But if you have an American passport or a Korean passport, you can enter.
Oh.
So that is a bit off.
yeah.
But I don't know why. Maybe like a lot of Indians went there quite
no,
a few years ago.
I've never heard of like a discrimination of this sort.
But
in
yeah,
Korea.
even when he
Yeah.
told me, I was very shocked. I was like
Same.
in 2024, like
Yeah.
something like this is happening because he
Correct.
went last year.
Yeah.
And there are so many Indians who are such big fans of K-pop and all of that. When you
Correct.
go there, you
Yeah.
want to enjoy, you want to go to the
Yes.
Yeah.
night and experience the nightlife in
Yeah,
Korea,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, but the other half of the clubs, that is very cool.
Yeah.
Like anyone can come in, whether you're Korean, American, Australian, Japanese, Indian,
Oh, I
come in
see.
and that's the party spot to be at. Everyone comes together and enjoys.
Have you all ever been to like a club or party spot outside of India where they played Bollywood?
Yeah, I
Ooh.
think Vietnam had a lot of spots like that. Like,
Huh?
remember Vietnam had those party
that-
street
Ha, ha, ha,
where
ha,
there were
ha,
like
ha.
those
In
Hindi
Hanoi,
music.
that big-
Yeah, like there was. Actually,
There
one,
was.
it's not a cultural shock, but more like a passport shock, which I had.
Yeah.
So I met like these German couple, right? It was German, right?
Huh.
And they were like, I think they were in Bali or somewhere, and they were telling that we were in that Halong Bay cruise, which
Yeah.
was there. And they were like, it was so hot there, we just decided that why don't we just fly down to Vietnam? And I was like, what
Yeah.
about visa? They said, we don't need visa. And I was just like looking at them, and I was like, we have to plan accordingly all the
Yeah.
time. So that passport, like that whole importance of having like a, maybe like a
Like
German,
a visa-free passport.
yeah, like you don't need visa. You could just be
Yeah.
like tomorrow decide that I can just book a
Yeah.
flight and go. So that was
गर्मी
like,
हो रही है बहुत तुम्हें
yeah,
वियतनाम
like they
चलना
were
है।
just like, oh, हमें
Yeah.
मजा नहीं आया. So we were like, why don't we do the cruise in
Yeah.
Vietnam?
Yeah.
And yeah, that was for 2 days. They were just in Vietnam. So
The freedom to be able to do that.
yeah, yeah. So it was just like insane, and that was like, okay, now this is one thing I have to aspire for. So,
Wow.
but yeah.
Okay, so what's that one thing that you miss a lot of being at home when you're outside, like of India? Maybe it could be food or the comfort or the convenience of being in India. What's that one thing that is something that you always miss when you're outside?
I think just that whole bit of accessibility, like, now it's just so easy, right? If you want to
Yeah.
order anything because you know so much, and
Yeah.
specifically, we know so much about Bombay food
Yeah.
and things like that. It's like you all the time know.
Right.
But one thing I also enjoy, because like a new place, you want to learn on the
Yeah.
contrary, because we love eating out, trying out new stuff. So, but yeah, just the convenience of things, to go anywhere, no language barrier. So it's just like home, right? Like you don't have to
Yeah.
think twice about it.
Is it the same for you, bro?
No, I miss my sleep the most.
Yeah.
Because when
Yeah.
you're traveling
Jet
with
lag.
Ashima, it is very scheduled. Like there
have
there
to
are a
make
ton
sure.
of things to do. Like there's a pura bucket list.
It's
ये करना,
like
ये करना, ये
it's
करना.
that meme, right? Like when you're just about to nap and you
Yeah.
realize how many salaries has it took you to be here. So it's exactly to me like that.
Yeah.
That no, you cannot sleep. You could sleep at home.
You have to make the most of it.
Yes.
Most of it.
सुबह उठ
Wake
के
up
स्कूबा
early.
ट्रेनिंग करनी है, शाम को यहाँ
Or
खाना है,
watch
उसके
like
बाद सनसेट
sunrise,
देखना है,
also watch sunset, and try
उसके
like
बाद रात
phone.
को party.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
insane.
Scuba diving, that
Yeah.
brings me to the birthday trip you took to Bali, right?
Yes,
How
I did.
was that experience of
Oh
scuba
my
diving?
god. So I've been very like, I think I have this phobia of water.
Yeah.
And like if you put, because I don't know swimming. And for the longest time, I think Z and MD just chained that for us,
Yeah.
that we have to experience this.
Everything. Yeah.
And I was like, this time I have to do it. So I remember we were in Gili and we didn't have plans, but I was like, I met this instructor and he was an Indian and he was like, anybody can do it. You
Yeah.
don't know swimming or anything. So I was like, let's just go for it.
Yeah.
And I remember the next day when I went for training, he just said, just go down, in the pool. And even for 2 seconds, I could. So I was like, I don't think I can do this. And he was like, what are you scared of?
Yeah.
Because I just can't breathe underwater. So he was like, in scuba, you don't have to do all of that. So,
Yeah.
but you should be okay. So I think he just was being like, and probably had done scuba diving before. So he was like
Experienced.
focusing more on him. And then I was like, no, I cannot let that miss. I have to do it.
Oh.
And then when they put that oxygen mask and, when you
Yeah.
go down, and I think it just so happened. And I was way too frantic. And I think till the time, when you go for the final dive, it was just like
Yeah.
I was extremely scared, and I was
We
like,
actually had the longest training session in the history of that scuba school. Like,
Yeah.
luckily they have like a training session first day, second day you do scuba.
until the end of it, he was like, I don't know, kal ho paega ki nahi ho paega. He was literally like that. So I was like, nahi karna. And then I kept asking him question. Have people on the day said, you know, andar jaake ki nahi hua? You know, then like I'd asked all
You were
the
prepared.
yeah, like all the difficult questions. But on the contrary, when I did it that day, I was like the most calm person, and you know, like the moment you're underwater, I totally get all the feels. It's like you don't want to get out.
Yeah.
And I remember that 45 minutes just flew by. Like, you know, it was so peaceful. Like how they
Yeah.
describe it in the film, that
Yeah.
your each breath you can feel it, and
Yeah.
just that whole feeling, it was just insane.
And I think there was also that feeling that you overcame your fear,
Yeah.
right?
And I think at that time, though, I didn't feel it only. That time, I was like, I kept doing what he kept telling me, you know, that just equalize, do all those
Yeah.
things.
But up until the last moment, she was pretty scared. So I was in the sea because you have to like backflip
Yeah,
and
yeah,
go,
yeah.
right?
Yeah,
And then
I
I'm
did go.
waiting for Ashwa to come. And then they're like 3, 2, 1, but she's still there.
There's a video of me, they want me to backflip, I can't.
They push there.
They push me.
Then they
Then
come
the
and
second
push.
video was they're like, please go now. I just couldn't do it.
But sometimes you need that little bit of a push
Yeah.
to come out
to
of the
go
comfort
there.
zone.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
But then I was
And
just
once
like,
you're in the water, then
Yeah.
it's
yeah.
really good.
And my instructor was like, go Kenny. He was like this
Yeah.
Indian instructor in Gilly. Oh my god,
Really
so
nice.
patient. Like
In context of Inside Out, core memory unlocked.
core
Yeah,
memory, yes.
it
Oh
was.
god.
वो भी birthday trip.
Yeah. It was just, I think, maybe 2-3 days after my birthday. So it was just lovely.
How nice. We're coming to the end of the episode, yes, but also we're coming to the end of the year. Were there any resolutions that you all made at the start of the year जो पूरे हो पाए नहीं हो पाए क्या हुआ है उनका अभी ऐसे इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो कि सोचा था हुआ नहीं
Hey, I make a resolution at the start of almost every year. पिछले 4-5 सालों से that I'll make abs this year.
Oh god, yeah.
And with all the eating out on the weekends and stuff. So Monday to Friday it's work. So
Yeah.
Monday to Friday at least we're able to control.
Right.
Like
Yeah.
it's a good diet on Monday to Friday. But then as soon as the weekend hits, the cravings hit, and then there's so many places to cover.
Yeah.
So it's a bit difficult. But I think I might get there in 2-3 months. Let's see.
Yeah,
That's what I tell myself.
you'll circle about again to making a new resolution again.
Yeah.
After New Year's. What about you, Ashi?
I think abs is definitely one, because I lost a lot of weight in the last 2 years, and I think that's one thing I really want to tick off,
Yeah.
that, you know, oh, I want to do that. And also I think get into running. That's been like me. I don't know, it's been a dream that, you know, and I think it really, because I've heard such inspiring
I know,
stories,
I
so
know.
that's
The
one
benefits of running, my
Yeah.
God, it really helps with your mental health is what I've
thing. Yeah,
heard.
but I could do a 10-kilometer this year. So that was like, there was a Nike run which I went for. So I really want to push myself and train for it. That's one thing I could do. So,
So
yeah.
is this a resolution for the coming
No,
year?
I want to start training ASAP.
Already?
It's just that I'm not waking up every morning. But
I
yeah.
think you happen to be determined enough to be able to pull that off.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right?
I just like have to do that.
I mean, इन्होंने दोनों ने बोला है कि इनका dream as a resolution is to make abs. No wonder people think of you all as couple यार.
No, but I think that's for all our friends. Like
The chemistry is so real, na?
Our best friends should also be in fitness
yeah,
together.
pushing each other.
Yeah, that's so good. It's very important to have a partner like that. Not necessarily just a romantic partner, just a partner in crime.
Accountability partner.
Accountability
Yes.
partner.
Yeah.
So I think अगले साल तो तुम लोग कर लोगे.
I always joke that I'm the one who's put Prabhi into fitness, because
Yeah,
he
yeah.
was not like
I
those
was
ones.
a couch potato.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not like, because I think he was always like fit, but when we were eating out so much, and I think I'd put on a lot of weight during lockdown. So after that, for me, I was like, I have to get back. Though, like in hindsight, I feel I'm so grateful
Yeah.
because I would have never been into fitness otherwise, because you've gone through that journey of
Yeah.
losing weight. You're so like thankful to it.
Yeah.
So yeah, like
And
I
you
think,
understand the value of it.
yeah, like even if you miss one day, it's always like there in the back of your mind that you have to do it. So like at least Monday to Friday, we try to, you know, sort of inculcate that we have to go work out.
Yeah.
So
And
I
more
always
than the
joke
body,
that.
it's about the mindset
Yeah.
also, right? Like every day you have the set routine, you're training, you're challenging your body. So that changes your mind in certain ways. So that's
Yeah,
good.
and
Makes you more
every day-
disciplined and focused.
And every day that you feel that you've achieved one milestone maybe in the fitness
Yeah,
journey,
yeah.
you feel so proud of yourself.
Correct.
And that achievement really gives you a hit of dopamine.
Yeah,
ki,
yeah.
I could do this.
Correct.
Yeah.
Starting में even like 5 kg chest press used to be really difficult for me. I was
Yeah.
like, okay, this is tough. Because बिल्कुल आदत नहीं थी, right, बचपन से. But then now, like taking up 20, 25, that gives a different feeling.
How nice.
Yeah.
Now, as we come to the end, we I have a quick challenge for you guys, like a game
Okay.
segment.
Yeah.
अब ये टेलीपैथिकली अगर तुम लोग का मैच हो गया तो अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, लोग तुम लोग को कपल समझेंगे, बट रिगार्डलेस बिकॉज y'all are going out and exploring
हाँ.
you know the food market, the lifestyle market together so much.
Yeah.
So what is an underrated dessert that you think there is?
Ooh. For me,
Please.
it has to be like in the age of tiramisu and cheesecakes, I feel people have forgotten about gulab jamun.
Oh.
And even gulab jamun, right? Like the way I eat gulab jamun, like it's very controversial, but मुझे गरम gulab jamun बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है.
ठंडे.
मुझे ठंडे. Because then it soaks up the ras, and once you have that bite, it like oozes out nicely. It's really good. Thanda gulab jamun.
How nice. And you, the classic one actually you've mentioned.
So that's why I
Yeah,
think he
but now
loves
it's
that
like-
rasgulla tiramisu from Bombay Sweet Shop
of
because
course,
of
that
course.
mixes
Really good.
up your Indian and you know like the
Yeah.
Italian.
वो बहुत
Yes,
revolutionary था जब उन्होंने वो introduce किया था.
Yeah.
Everyone was
Incredible.
behind it.
Yeah.
हर किसी के मतलब मैं सुन रही हूँ कि वो dessert में ये मंगा रहे हैं, वो
Yeah,
मंगा रहे हैं.
yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I agree. What's an underrated dessert according to you, Ash?
You know, I honestly feel that whole charm of mithais, you know,
Yeah.
like
Indian classic.
Indian classical, nobody's apart from festival, nobody, I don't see people eating motichur laddu
Yeah.
or kaju katli. Like for me also the memory is having it during festivals.
Yeah.
But when you eat it, you sort of realize, right? Because wherever you go, it's hardly even in Indian restaurants, like gulab jamun is the only thing you'll get.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think that Indian mithais, like, you know, people just don't like, especially the Gen Z crowd.
Yeah.
They, are
They don't
so
value them
value
as
it like
much.
it's so nice. Because I think maybe it's not cool for them.
Yeah.
So it's like because cheesecake, tiramisu, we are also fans, but I think some days you really want to like go back to your
Yeah,
roots.
absolutely.
Yeah.
But which is why we're grateful now that ऐसे rasmalai, tiramisu and all
Yeah,
ऐसे
like a love
fusions
kind
में
of
they are
thing.
being introduced
Yeah,
to it.
yeah. So
Right?
that's why I love that.
What's an overrated street food?
There's this place in Borivali which does that Bahubali sandwich or something. I don't know. It's like pretty long. I'm not sure how much, but it's like they put cheese, itna, and then I remember and I was just like freaked out that I can't. I saw a video and I was like, who's eating this? How many calories are in there? So,
Oh my God.
So
There
it's
are
like,
some weird combinations.
yeah. So
But
that's
do you have a overrated street food in your head?
I think there are some weird combinations when you have like mix great things together, जैसे cheese and pani puri,
yeah.
right? Cheese
Who's
by
doing
itself
that?
is great. Cheese in a sandwich, like a grilled cheese
Somewhere
sandwich,
it's
is great.
happening
It's
for
happening
sure.
in Ghatkopar.
Ghatkopar,
Yeah, somewhere in
Oh my
Ghatkopar,
God,
Khao
that's-
Gali, it
that
happens.
area is mischievously known for all
Yeah,
kinds of
yeah,
Yeah,
fusion
like
food.
noodles in dosa, pasta in dosa, and people are enjoying it somehow.
Oh yeah,
So,
pasta and dosa.
pasta
yeah.
in dosa is a thing, yeah.
Okay, but I like noodles in dosa.
See, Sonal.
But not from not from anywhere. There's
हाँ.
just this one spot which is a very like a street food spot in Kandivali. मैं बचपन से वहाँ ही खाती थी डोसा.
Okay.
And they have this Chinese chopsy dosa.
Oh.
And ever since I've tried that,
हाँ.
I have never had Hakka noodles or chopsy अलग से. I only have it in
Oh,
dosa.
dude, don't do that to my Hakka noodles. Oh, God.
But I mean fusion food tastes well if
Yeah.
it's made well, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
then
just
so
give
you
it to
can
them.
let it go. कि माफ कर सकते हो कि ये fusion
Yeah.
करे. And that dosa is like that. Ashi, I'll take you someday.
Okay, done.
Then we'll
I
see
will.
if you like it.
Yeah.
So the next one is that only. The cringiest fusion food that you've come across, seen on Instagram, or heard someone talk about.
She just did.
Chinese chopsy dosa, just for the record.
that. Oh, God.
So now I have to take Ashi to try it.
Yeah.
Oh, you also, Prabhat, you also come with us.
God, I can't even imagine.
But I have
wouldn't
not
mind.
told you about this.
मेरे
What?
college में भी था this sort of a thing, noodles dosa. People were big fans, and
Yeah.
that was like Szechuan cheese masala and noodles dosa.
So that's a fusion of all kinds of dosa together.
Yeah.
Wow, I can't even think something cringy.
Cringy. Like मतलब ये Instagram पे देख के ऐसे मतलब like
Yeah.
that one sandwich you said, but that may be something else.
Yeah, that idli Manchurian thing. That was
yeah.
like, do you like that too?
No.
No, even that bits of idli Manchurian. Kuch bhi, I'm like, let the idli be. Or
And let
whatever.
the Manchurian be.
Yeah, what they keep doing, you know, there's this very funny creator, I think Rohan or something. He's like, we should do some andolan for this idli.
Oh yeah.
उसके साथ कुछ भी कर रहे हो. So literally, I really like jab with those videos, and I'm like, no, let idli be. So like kuch bhi kar rahe ho. Like
Yeah.
I think there was something to do with pan and idli. I'm not sure. Like I remember seeing something, and I was like, no way. So it's just.
I feel एक point के बाद तो सब लोग सिर्फ Instagram पे कुछ viral हो जाए इस वजह से कुछ भी
Yeah,
चीजें
but
Like
उठा
there was
के
some Parle Ji biryani. I'm like, what is this happening? Matcha biryani. I'm like, yeah, there's a page which has been doing all of this, and it pops up on my feed, and I'm like, please.
they should be banned. We should all
Yeah.
report them. What's one like cringiest fusion food that
I haven't
you
been
can
to
think
the
of?
cringest corners of Instagram. Yeah. But
Only
for me-
aesthetic corners for inspiration.
Aesthetic. But it's I think for me it's that only, like cheese wala pani puri, and they like have
Inject
this,
it.
Yeah, inject me.
इंजेक्ट एंड उसके ऊपर वो बर्नर भी लाता है सो ताकि वो चीज मेल्ट्स इनटू इट इट्स लाइक इतना
Where
एफर्ट
is
डाला
this
है
happening, man?
घाटकोपर में भी
I feel like I've been living under the rock. I mean, I know there are a lot of stuff जो मुझे भी नहीं पता होंगे कि ये हो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Much cringier than anything I could have thought of. But man, I want to see this. And I want to ask people who are enjoying it, what about it are you enjoying?
Yeah, but you're right. I think most of it is just about going viral on
Yeah.
Instagram and
Yeah.
getting that because I'm
Kuch
not
to
sure
mix
who's
छोले
eating.
सुशी वगैरह भी तो था all of these
Is
things.
it?
Yeah,
No
yeah,
way.
some videos
No, I've
Chole
not gone there.
sushi.
अच्छा तंदूरी सुशी भी था yeah. वो है ना there's like this joke in Delhi that everything you can put in a tandoor oven
So
there's
sushi is
tandoori
the next.
sushi.
Yeah.
Oh my god, have you tried
No,
it?
we
No.
haven't tried.
We
I don't
haven't
think
gone
Bombay
to.
people will do it. Like Mumbai में कम होता है.
Oh
Delhi
man,
में
the
ये सब
debate about
experiments is
दिल्ली
like-
का खाना अच्छा है या मुंबई का खाना अच्छा है, I think it's never ending.
Yeah.
I think हर किसी के palate की बात है.
True.
Yeah.
Some people are made for मुंबई का palate तो उनको मुंबई का खाना
Yeah.
ही पसंद आता है, उनको
Yeah.
दिल्ली नहीं अच्छा
Correct.
नहीं
I
भाता
think
है.
it's also
Ashima
about the
spent some
water.
time in Delhi, na?
Yeah,
उसका
so I
college was
studied
there.
in Delhi, so I love Delhi. Like that chole kulche, I still dream about it. Though there are spots which sell it now here, but I think it's
But
about
in this
the
debate
water.
of दिल्ली का खाना better है मुंबई का खाना, what would you say? You're leaning towards which side?
I would just say one is Janam, Bhumi, whatever you say, and one is where you
Karam
born.
Bhumi.
So I would just not pick any side. I would just be like
She's
wherever,
playing very safe. Politically correct.
wherever I stay.
देख लो मतलब top 5 restaurants this year, none of them are from Delhi. All like from Mumbai only तो.
But the debate has always been about street food.
Street
Yeah.
food में भी यार
Not dining.
Yeah.
Street food
vada pav and all
always.
अगर compare करें तो
I don't think it can
Not
be compared
chole
to any.
bhature.
I feel जिनको दिल्ली का खाना पसंद है तो वो dishes दिल्ली में ही खाने चाहिए.
Correct,
हाँ.
correct.
और जिनको मुंबई का वो dishes
Because
मुंबई में
vada
खाने
pav
चाहिए.
is a Bombay thing.
Yeah.
Chole
Yeah.
bhature is
मुंबई
not
दिल्ली
a
में
Bombay
आपको
thing.
वैसे नहीं मिलेगा.
Right.
So,
और
yeah.
मोमोज मुंबई में आपको
And
वैसे
also
शायद
the
ना मिले.
expectation with which people come from, right?
Right.
Because Bombay will serve you different things,
Right,
which
absolutely.
you come to Bombay for. So you cannot expect the same flavor.
मिलेगा.
So that's
You
definitely.
should enjoy जहाँ पर जो चलता है वो.
Yeah, it's like those Indians, right, who go bahar and be like,
Yeah.
"हमें chicken tikka masala चाहिए," so it should taste the same.
No,
No way,
right,
yeah.
right. You
You
put
know,
a very
so-
nice perspective to it
So
now.
it's
कभी
not-
कभी like abroad they have like great naan somehow.
Yeah.
Like Korea में there was
But,
this
I
amazing
mean-
place with a like huge naan. Just
But
very
internationally,
huge.
breads, so they are known
Yeah,
to make.
no?
No? So
Yeah.
they know
Fresh
that's
bread.
they
something.
know the formula that goes
Yeah.
into baking. So
Yeah,
maybe
yeah,
that's
maybe
why.
that's why.
Yeah,
You know?
But the chicken tikka masala, I don't think they're able to crack it.
I've got just two more
Yes.
for your picks that y'all are gonna answer. One is the best chakna for a
Ooh.
party night.
Oh,
Chakli
if
and
you're
Szechuan.
chakli and Szechuan sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also like those roasted peanuts.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Chakli and Szechuan sauce are my favorite also, but Szechuan sauce has to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't find good Szechuan sauce everywhere.
you just have to go to all these old bars.
yeah,
good.
they
Just
have
get
the
it.
best
Yes, the
Szechuan
best
sauce.
Szechuan.
Yacht and all,
I agree.
janta. and
Yeah.
everything.
I
Yeah,
agree.
chicken chili is also nice. Like once you need to move on to the protein
You know,
side of
a
things.
new kind of chakna that I figured is cheese garlic naan, and you
Oh,
ask them
yeah.
to toast it.
Oh, yeah,
and then
that's
cut
like
them
amazing.
Yeah,
into
yeah.
like bite-size slices.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that also have a Szechuan chutney.
Everything with Szechuan chutney tastes better.
We scream Chinese.
I eat dal khichdi with Szechuan chutney.
Oh my
it's the,
God.
it's
I
the
think we
best
need-
combination.
We need to interview Sonal.
You should try it. I'm telling you.
Really?
I am
Wow.
telling you, it's a recommendation. Get a nice garlic tadka wali dal khichdi
Huh?
and have it with a good Szechuan sauce.
Ooh.
I'm telling you, Ashi, you will remember me for that.
Okay, I will.
The last one. Easiest cocktail to DIY.
Oh.
We just did
Nutella
one.
vodka. Yes. All it needs is Nutella and vodka, and you do
We
it.
made a video on that, and that video literally like people were just like, "Oh my god, who would have thought of this?"
Yeah. How did you
Yeah.
thought of it?
Oh, no, we were inspired from this person in Bar Chemistry karke. There's this Instagram account.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
do all these incredible combinations.
And we were very keen on trying it,
Yeah.
so we were like, let's just do it.
How
and there's
cool.
this one hot girl cocktail also, which we tried recently, which is
Yeah.
like
Just
Diet
Diet Coke,
Coke, coffee, and vodka you put together. That also comes out very
Yeah,
well.
y'all are Diet Coke pugloos, right?
Yeah. Love Diet
Almost
Coke.
every meal.
Yeah.
Diet
Not
Coke
me.
for the way.
Yeah.
Whenever I find a discount on Swiggy, like 25-30%, like वो Coke Zero की bottles से tuck 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 tuck, then I collect.
Oh,
I
God.
hoard Coke Zero.
Oh god, yeah.
Definitely Diet Coke pugloos.
Yeah.
But thank you guys for joining me here.
Yeah,
Such
thank you so
a
much
cool
for having us.
conversation.
Yeah.
Food, lifestyle, khana, pugloos, सब discuss कर लिया हमने. Korea, international, cultures, everything.
Yeah.
So, like I told you, real fun and absolutely chaotic in the best way possible. That were Prabhi and Ashi with me, Sonal, on Off Script with Social Nation.